What's up, you guys? I'm the Pocket Queen, but you can call me PQ. There's nothing that gives me more joy than sitting behind a kit and playing to my favorite music and makes me smile. It just erases every single problem that might exist in my life. If I'm able to channel that sort of energy that I feel, that erases all my problems and it erases yours too, it feels bigger to me than any award that I could achieve. I really am passionate about making content that makes people feel good. I'm a musician, music producer, multi-instrumentalist, daredevil, fear facer, and just overall fun person. Check out this gold stick, everybody, it's mine. You're getting more than just a course on music and drums, and you're really diving deeper into your identity, who you are and why you're doing what you're doing. Anyone who has a love for art and has an interest in what it takes to make it, you're pretty much gonna get all of the inside scoop of the videos you see from me every week. The very big key element of learning how to play in the pocket actually has nothing to do with playing. It has everything to do with listening. Still something I'm working on, and I'm the Pocket Queen. I think people are missing a very important part of what they love about my sound. PQ. And it's not necessarily what I'm playing, but it's how the sound is produced. This is what's gonna knock people in the face. This is the punch. We want that. And I've just taken you into Pocket Queen land. You are stuck and you ain't getting off until 5 minutes and 20 seconds or whenever the song ends. You know what I'm saying? The biggest advice I could give is to be vulnerable, to be a risk taker, to not rob your following the most fascinating part of the story. If I fail, that's what I do, but I'm doing it in front of you and I'm letting you know, even in that sense, that we're still alive. It's okay to fail. That's all I've done, is just literally not stop trying.